people are behind in creating IPRs. You will see some data which is 2008 data, and I did not have time to pull out the new data, but still it will give you an idea what are the things and why people are after IPRs and want to commercialize them. So now it starts from here. First line you see, EU Commission estimates the global IPR trade to be 100 billion euro. 100 billion euro. Now you can understand, anybody who is sitting, how amount of IPR your IPR is having under in this 100 billion. Do you have any euro in this IPR trade? This much. This is 2008 data. Now it must be 300-400 or more than that. And what is this? What is this IPR? Are they selling? What is happening? That is the crux. Why people are creating and what you can do and what pie of 100 billion euro you can have. This is the power of your IPR. USPTO, it is United States Patent Office, US Patent Office, issues around 2 lakh patents every year. Now you can say in India most of the patents, this is the highest patents. The country, the number of patents maximum issued in a year are in US. Indian Patent Office 17,600. Now you see why US companies are churning money like anything. And this 2 lakh does not include big companies like Microsoft. These are individual people. Last month we got patent registered in India for a dentist in US. He is an individual dentist. He has made some device or some product to do something in teeth. Now you can understand a dentist protecting his patent in India. He may not come to do anything for teeth in India, but that is the vision. So Indian Patent Office granted 17,618, out of which more than 17,000 patents were of foreign companies. So Indians hardly file any patent because they don't get any cut and paste material much. Inventions are very low, and inventions are there. People don't know where to go, what to do, and why should I do. They don't know that if I register with this, whether I will get anything out of it. And why this